LegalServer's web-based case management software is ultra-focused on enhancing productivity for civil legal aid, public defenders, and city and county law departments. We work collaboratively with each new client, configuring the system to more easily capture, manage, and report on data relevant to the type of legal services provided. Cloud-based architecture lets you work from anywhere, securely, on any device. Intuitive, user-friendly features are designed to simplify legal professionals' work. Powerful automation, easily editable graphical reporting, and intelligent workflows let you spend more time working for your clients. Measure and track improvements in outcomes in the real-time dashboard. As site changes are needed, your internal, non-technical staff administrators can easily modify or enhance LegalServer without any computer programming knowledge. Staff will be happier having a case management system that is easy to learn, easy to use, and easy to change. And modernizing outdated systems and processes can lead to a more efficient, paperless office, ultimately helping more people. LegalServer is justice simplified. Contact us to request a demo today.